Hello, engineers. So let's try to solve this sample problem taken from the past REE board examination. So yung problem natin is a container is in the form of a right circular cylinder with an altitude of 6 inches and a radius of 2 inches. If an asbestos of 1 inch thick is inserted inside the container along its lateral surface, find the volume of the capacity of the container. So let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So sabi daw sa problem is mayroon daw tayong right circular cylinder. Tapos yung right circular cylinder natin is mayroong radius na 2 inches. Tapos height na 6 inches. Sabi sa problem, babalutan daw natin tong or mag-i-insert daw tayo ng asbestos dito sa ating right circular cylinder. Tapos yung thickness daw ng ating asbestos is 1 inches. So mag-i-insert tayo ng asbestos. So itong color gray, ito yung ating asbestos. Tapos along daw sa kanyang lateral surface area. So yung thickness ng ating asbestos is 1 inches. Since nalagyan na natin ng asbestos yung ibang portion ng ating right circular cylinder, ito na lang yung matitirang capacity natin or space capacity natin. So therefore, yung magiging radius nito is 2, mababawasan ng thickness ng ating asbestos. So therefore, we have 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 inches. So itong volume na to, yung hindi na lagyan ng asbestos, ito yung ating i-solve. So solve for the volume capacity of the remaining space after asbestos was inserted. So using the formula of right circular cylinder, so volume is equal to pi r squared times height. So therefore, we have volume is equal to pi times yung radius ng natitirang space, which is 1 inches, squared times yung height ng ating cylinder. So pi times 1 squared times 6, that is equal to 6 pi, or this is equivalent to 18.85 cubic inches. So therefore, yung sagot natin sa problem na to is 18.85. So which is letter C. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.